This box is huge.
As you guys can see, received a lot of goodies today. I don't know how to put this like calmly, but look at it! Look! Yes! Look! Jesus. Y'all just don't even understand. Like, Shea freaking Moisture just sent me products. Like, what is my life right now? I'm really like still shook over the fact that I just got all of these products. Like, I'm floored. I feel like Beyonce at Coachella. I feel like Halle Berry at the Oscars. So if you guys are new to my channel, go ahead and like and subscribe to this video for more testimonials, my honest feedback on these products after I do my wash and goes, twist outs, hair, schmeals. And I did not make this video to brag. It is literally my first PR package. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you what they sent me. Bear with me because there are a total of 41 products. You name it! God damn it! I'm gonna start with their signature line, the coconut hibiscus line. I got their shampoo, their conditioner. I got a curl and style milk. I got their anti-freeze max hold gel. And this line specifically, if you guys aren't aware, is it defines and holds thick and curly hair, and it is one of the first products that I ever used. The specific first product that I used from SheaMoisture was their curl enhancing smoothie, and like, y'all, this literally saved me from sheer embarrassment in college, because I mean, I know grownish is like, they're on and popping, but back when I was in college, we kind of just like rolled out of bed, and thank God for this curl enhancing smoothie, for Jesus, water, mixing it all together and like saving me, because your girl could have been ratchet. They also sent me their co-wash conditioning cleanser. I also got, their Hold and Shine Moisture Mist. So, you know, a little refresh for the day old curls. Just need a little sun, a little kick. And then I also got their frizz-free curl mousse, and this is really good for twist outs, for perm rod sets, for flexi rod sets. I actually did a flexi rod collaboration with my girl Kiva, if you guys want to check that out. When I first cut off my heat damaged hair, I actually still have some pieces left, basically like the front crown area. I still have some pieces that need to come off, but I am hopefully going to be getting a diva cut, so stay tuned for that. You know, the waiting list for that stuff is just like months. So I'm waiting to officially get an appointment with a salon out here that does that, so stay tuned. And then what I'm really excited about, I'm excited about all of them, but this specific line, I've been so like, I have been like obsessed. Either looking for these when they first came out, or sitting and debating, can I spend that much money on products today in the Target aisle? Is their SheaMoisture Manuka Honey and Referral Oil. I got the Intensive Hydration Twist Defining Custard. I mean, twist outs will never be the same. I've heard so many good things about this line, and for someone like me who has kind of done like the chop, and I just need like moisture, and like I'm just trying to grow this hair, I'm really excited for the Intensive Hydration. I also got the Intensive Hydration hair mask, so let's see if this one goes better than my Jamaican Black Castor Oil mask, which that one, bomb. I also got their new, yeah. I also got the Manuka Honey and Yogurt line. It's the Hydrate and Repair Shampoo with Bafura and Baobab oils. But yeah, I got the shampoo and conditioner from this line. And I also got the multi-action leave-in from the line. And this is something I'm really excited to try out. Since I haven't cut off the rest of my heat damage, I'm really excited to try their split end balm, because like, you know, in the meantime, while you're waiting to get a haircut, you still need your hair to look nice, so I'm probably gonna use this tonight. Sorry. That line, and there's one more, the Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment. So it said to strengthen and protect extremely dry, brittle hair. And if any of you guys are like new to figuring out your hair, sometimes we can like overwash our hair. I know I went through that years ago, like washing it too much, and sometimes you strip your hair of its natural oils and you just need like you need a real intense pick-me-up and some good protein. I'm just gonna go ahead and say this. Since I'm very overwhelmed by this like thousands of dollars in a box right now, I'm gonna talk about one that like I literally was talking to my boyfriend about this one, because I'm like, you know what, we put coconut oil on our body all the time and you can be glistening a little bit. And so the idea of having coconut oil in my hair has always been like, Courtney, what are you doing? Like, you need to get yourself together and get your life. But you also have a budget. But I got this line from SheaMoisture, the 100% virgin coconut oil. So the first one is their rehydration treatment mask with coconut milk and Akia Senegal. So it's said to rehydrate and condition all hair types. It's sulfate free and color safe. So another mask that I'm hoping does really well on my hair, the conditioner and the shampoo, 100% coconut oil line. I also got the oil. You know, anyone that does the lock method, the lotion, cream, oil method knows that you need a good oil serum. So this is their daily hydration finishing oil serum, 100% virgin coconut oil. So just put some in the palm of your hands. And I also got a leave-in treatment. It says it softens and improves styling manageability with this lightweight milk leave-in treatment. So I actually want to smell this one. Guys, you ever just got like on contact high? This smells so good. Just keep that there. Also, anyone out there who is wears their hair natural knows the whole hair type, porosity. The girl has been trying to figure out her hair type since the beginning of time. Like, the back part of my hair is more coily. The top part of my hair is just whatever. And then like the front is heat damage. So I just never know what my type is. I've been told, oh girl, you a 3C or a 4A or whatever. So SheaMoisture went ahead and sent me the low porosity and high porosity line. So I'm going to show you the low porosity. I'm almost positive that I have high porosity hair. They sent me their Baobab and tea tree oils low porosity protein free leave-in detangler. They also sent me the matching conditioner. I also got the shampoo, you know. So I also got their high porosity line, the Mangango and Heap Seed Oils High Porosity Moisture Seal Shampoo. It has protein and apple cider vinegar. And then they also gave a co-wash. And I also got their styling gel. It's called the Moisture Correct Styling Gel. And it's for the damaged and color treated hair. It says all hair types. For curls and coils. And blocks humidity and frizz. And you guys, even though now I live in Los Angeles, I'm from Houston, Texas. So humidity, you don't know humidity until you go to Houston. So I'm gonna try out all these humidity related things when I am back home. And then it also comes with a Moisture Correct mask, like revive dead life and, you know, stressed hair. Gosh, they need to put some for the rest of your life. Can they relieve stress from your job? Can they relieve stress from your relationships? Can they relieve stress from your bank account? Like, if SheaMoisture products did that, game changer. Yeah. Anyone that knows me knows I used to have this nasty strawberry blonde hair. I went through a phase like all of us do. From straightening, from coloring it, like, I had to go through so many different stages, even though technically I've been natural my whole life, but I just wasn't allowed to wear my hair natural, never had a perm. You know, back in the day, we just did like a hot comb, and then it turned into from hot comb to just blow dried to flat irons, and I typically didn't wear my curls out. So by the time I got to college and hair was actually popping, I was like, oh, hair's popping, I need to get a color, but didn't know how to handle it. And especially in colder climates like Missouri, I didn't know like you need tons of moisture with both color and in the environment. So your girl's hair just started breaking off. Most people would say, oh girl, but you had length, Length is not everything, guys. For me, health is more important than length because I've been through all the little nasty phases of like ramen noodle hair, and it's tragic. One product that has done that for me, has really changed the game for my hair care regimen, is SheaMoisture's new Jamaican Black Castor Oil line. I've been using it for about a month and I've already seen it really strengthen my hair. A month's not a long time, but like, I'm telling you, I've just seen a difference in my hair. It's like, it feels stronger, it's less shedding, it actually feels softer right after, you know, on my second day hair still feels nice. They sent me the entire, oh my God, the entire Jamaican Black Castor Oil line. It has shea butter, peppermint, apple cider vinegar, all things that are really good for your hair. So I have that combo. I also got their leave-in conditioner, which this stuff, y'all, this is my holy grail now. Like, I put this, even if I'm mixing with different stylists, I always use this leave-in. It just does like magic to my hair. Like, I feel like my curls are popping before I put a styler in. Like, it feels moisturized. Like, come on now. They also sent me their Strengthen and Restore Max Hold Gel, which I've been excited to use because it says natural and chemically processed and heat styled hair. Even though I haven't had heat on my hair since December 2017, I mean, I still kind of have like the remnants of it, but I will say shout out to SheaMoisture for upgrading us. Also, their styling lotion. Just speaking of that, I just got the Lock and Braid Butter. So this little 6-ounce bottle will definitely be gone very fast. I either am a wash and go type of girl or a twist out girl, so like may have to try a couple more braid outs, twist outs with this lock butter. And then the fact that they sent me this edge treatment means that they know Beyonce snatched my edges. If you watch any of Beyonce's performances, but specifically this Coachella performance, you know you need to restore your edges. That's all I gotta say. But it says it's formulated to help promote growth by strengthening and conditioning your hair. So I'll let you guys know if this edge treatment does what it says. If it's actually laying the edges and it's still moisturized and it's restoring what Beyonce took. There is one more line in here that I want to show you guys. Okay, they also sent me the Superfruit multivitamin line, and their Superfruit multivitamin soft curl gel cream with marula oil and biotin. Anytime you hear biotin, you know that has to do with growing your hair. It says it's for wavy and curly hair, and even though I don't have the wavy side of things, I'm hoping that it still helps with some growth with the biotin in it. So they sent me their 10-in-1 renewal system. 10-in-1, and it has all the things that it does. It says it age-defy. What? Okay, age-defy, color protect, hydrate, nourish, soften, anti-stress, shine, manageability, revive body, and strengthen. So basically, this is gonna change your life in a bottle. Okay, so obviously I just got a lot of products and I'm very grateful, very blessed. I feel like I'm in a giving mood, and that's what I'm gonna do. So I wanted to give you guys a chance to try some of these products as well. Obviously this is gonna take me a while to get through, and I'm so grateful to SheaMoisture. This is not a sponsored ad. This is literally by the grace of God that they sent me this. All you have to do to enter this giveaway is to subscribe to my channel, head over to my Instagram, give me a follow. I'll be having the product details on what specifically you will be getting in the mail. I'm hoping to do a mix and match of products: shampoo, conditioner, leave-in, styling product, mask. I want to make sure you guys enjoyed this giveaway just as much as me, to try out a few different products. I'm also a small channel right now, so I want to get to 5K. So I feel like that's reasonable. Once I hit 5K, I'm going to send you out these goodies. So hopefully you guys go ahead and enter this giveaway. It's really simple. Also, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and like this video, subscribe. Let me know what other tutorials, testimonials that you want my feedback on, or you want full tutorials on. Obviously, I will be doing some SheaMoisture tutorials for a while, some twist outs and wash and goes, since those are already the products that I use. And if you guys have any suggestions, or if there was a product in here that you specifically want me to review, go ahead and leave your comments below. And I just want to leave on a positive note, because this is supposed to be an uplifting channel. If you guys, I didn't do this video to brag. This is truly a blessing. Thank you so much, SheaMoisture. But I know that we all are just going through life. And for me, this is a place where I can escape and you can escape. We can learn and grow together. You are dealing with issues in your career, in your personal life, whether it's friendships, romance, whatever it is, just know that all those things are temporary. I live by this now, but failure is literally a stepping stone to your breakthrough. So right before you give up, right before you throw in the towel, right before you cuss that person out that made your day bad, think about the fact that you are so close to your breakthrough. I know this was an unboxing, but that's what this channel is all about. Go ahead and look down in the description box to figure out the rest of our giveaway details. Until the next video, guys, peace.